All right, let's take the concepts that we had in our little playground script and let's move them over here to a more proper application. So here's our program app, and just like all of them, it's got a main method, it prints its little header, and then it has this thing I'm calling search event loop. And we're just gonna go around and around and search for whatever the user wants to know about, and we'll print out information about it. Here we have just a search text, and we're gonna just go while they're not entering X, which means exit in our world. And if they've entered something they do want to search about, we're going to go and call movie-client.search. And then maybe we'll print out client to sort of just initialize it. And then we can say perform search. That will actually do it and return the results as a list of movie results named tuples, that kind of like we just saw. Yeah. So if I run this, we should have something reasonable come out here. So if I search for cats, see what we get for cats. Boom. There we go. Cats and dogs. It looks like it's working great. Now, let's go over here and look at the movie client. This exactly takes the ideas we had. Request collections are name tuple with these types in here. And it just moves this over to a class. So the class knows about its search text, and then you can perform the search on it. Not really super excited about this API. Probably could have done better, but whatever. It gets the point across. We really need somewhere to introduce instability to our app. So that's kind of what this is about. Here we can take whatever search text they gave us, and we're just going to plunk it in there, and then we're going to go search for it exactly the way we saw. And we're using this super nice Pythonic style of saying, using the dictionary unpacking into the name tuple and blending up a list via list comprehensions. Maybe we could do one more thing. Maybe we want to sort by title. I don't know. We could do that if we wanted. We could say movies.sort, key equals lambda, m goes to m dot title, like that. All right, so this works great. Let's just run it one more time. Let's search for capital, and let's actually change the output so we can see decent results down there. Instead of just printing out the list, let's say like this. Print, found curly results. We'll do a little format there, and len of, let's go up here and say results. Client.perform search, and we'll say results here. Yeah, we'll say for r in results print, and we'll just do like this. We'll say year dash title format. So here we'll just say r dot year, r dot title. So let's go look for capital again. Here you can see these results. Pretty cool. Found a bunch of stuff about capital, and the one that I was saying is really cool is this one from 2014, capital C. Okay, so this is working pretty well. I think there's some rate limiting on the API actually, and we may end up running into that as well. So that's going to be an interesting result. But let's suppose, come out of full screen here. Let's suppose something happens like our network goes down right here. So no network, turned it off. Let's see how this bad boy runs now. I'm looking for cats. Remember, cats and dogs was our first result, and ooh, this is bad. So we have a request.exceptions.connection error. The internal details are that the connection pool with these settings failed, and this was caused by a new connection error, which was caused by da-da-da-da-da. There's no network, okay? So what we need to do is write some code so that instead of doing this, it just says, right, it keeps going through this loop and it says, hey, that didn't work so well. It looks like your network's down. If you turn it back on, we would be able to work again, yeah? So let's go do that next.